This is a unique portrait of His Excellency Mr. Barack Obama, President of USA, to greet him on the eve of Republic Day of India. Thank you. I have made many more such typewritten portraits